Installation: Front pack kit includes front pack kit vest, device support, cell phone holder. Step 1. Put on the front pack kit vest. Put the kit on from top to bottom, and then fix the back and both sides of the clips in order. Then take out the clips from the armpits and put them on the chest slot. The vest is finished. Next, install the support device. Open the support device fixing latch and slide it through the chest slot. Fix the latch when it is in the right position to prevent the support device from sliding down. Check whether the lateral locking knob of the support device is loose. If it is loose, you need to tighten it to prevent the support device from swinging laterally. Then install the cell phone bracket. Put the bottom of the bracket into the support device cell phone bracket slot, and tighten the knob to fix it. After that, install the device, remove the base of the device, align the limit holes and screw holes under the battery of the smart handle with the holes in front of the support device, and tighten the knob screws below to fix it. The cell phone can be put into the cell phone holder. At this point the device and the phone are installed. After the installation is completed, you can loosen the lateral knob on the support device to adjust the device orientation before locking. After the installation is completed, you can collect normally. Please try to pay attention to the initialization of the collection to keep still, to avoid affecting the quality of the collected data. When disassembling, first loosen the fixed knob of the cell phone support, remove the cell phone support and cell phone, and then loosen the knob under the smart battery. Remove the handle battery. After that, open the support device to lock the latch, slide out the support device from the bottom to the top, and finally undo the buckles on both sides, chest and back, and remove the vest from the bottom to the top to complete the disassembly.